Meaning of flimsily.
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 Flimsily. Flimsily means something is weak or feeble, lacking in strength, substance, or durability. When something is described as flimsily, it is often suggested that it is not well made or constructed properly and may fall apart easily. For example, a flimsily built shelter would not provide much protection from the elements and could collapse easily. Similarly, flimsily argued ideas or theories are likely to be unconvincing and lack supporting evidence or logic. Overall, something described as flimsily is unstable, fragile, and likely to fail under stress.